Hi everybody, we are working on CR number 18, helper video number 1. It says, which of the following graphs is not a function? Now here's the thing, so you're looking for the ones that aren't a function, and I don't know if you remember this from class, I'm hoping you do. But in order to figure out whether it is a function or not, we have to do what's called the vertical line test. To do the vertical line test, I'm just going to start here with A, and remember we're looking for the one that's not a function. And I'm going to draw some vertical lines going through this graph. Oh gee, my vertical lines aren't very vertical, but you're getting the picture here. Notice that every single time, and let me just change colors for you to see, it touches the graph once here, it's touching it once here, it's touching it once here, and it's only touching it once here. So if it's only touching the graph once on those vertical lines, that is a function. So right now that first graph is a function. So let's try the next one. I'm going to draw some vertical lines. Once again, it touches once, touches once, touches once, touches once. Okay, is that a function if it's only touching once? Yes, it is. This one is a function. That's just not the answer. Let's look at C. Goes through only 1 point. Uh-oh, what's going on there? Goes through 2 points. Goes through 1 point, goes through 1 point, goes through 1 point. But this one right here, this is the reason this is not a function, so C would be your answer. Now this one kind of gets a little confusing because you see 2 dots that are along the same line. But remember, there's a circle on this dot. If there's an open circle, it does not include that point. So that point would not be counted on the vertical line. Same thing with here. This solid line would count, or solid point, but this circle here that's open, that would not count because that is open, so that point does not count. So the only one that is not a function is this one here. Good luck.